Hey folks, Adam here, 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the iRobot Braava. This is the Jet M6. It is a great mopping robot. So, you know me, you know I have had the opportunity to try out dozens and dozens and dozens of these robot vacuums and mops. And iRobot really is one of the best, if not, they're kind of synonymous with robot vacuums. I've had the opportunity to talk with iRobot's CEO, and I've had the opportunity to test a lot of iRobot products. And you know what? They do make great products. But their Braava Jet M6, when you're looking for a great mop, an ultimate robot, this thing is fantastic. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. First off, it has smart mapping. The technology on the current generation of robots is fantastic. This thing uses LiDAR to map out your entire room, and it's gonna know every single time the best and fastest route for mopping. Their technology has also greatly advanced over the years when it comes to obstacle avoidance. My old iRobot pet that I had, that thing would suck up some lightning cables and things of the sort. The new ones are absolutely phenomenal. Putting the fun in phenomenal. You can put them on a timer. They tie into your Bluetooth. They tie into Alexa. They're absolutely amazing. So they come with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. They're absolutely high speed, low drag. You can pick up Amazon's 2 and 3 year protection program for just a few dollars more. These are absolutely great for multiple rooms. So if you're looking for a great mopping robot, iRobot's Braava, all their Braavas, the M6, the M5, the M4, all their Braavas are absolutely amazing. You're gonna wanna pick one up today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Had a chance to check them all out, and this one's a good one. So if your question is, should I pick up a Braava for mopping my house? The answer is yes, you absolutely should. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.